If you want to find your hidden secure folder on the Motorola Edge 70, here's what you can do. For example, we can go to the app drawer and open the Moto folder if you still have it, and then go to Moto Secure. In this app, if the secure folder is not hidden inside this app, then you should be able to find the secure folder. So you can tap over here, of course, enter the password and access it quite easily. But of course, you can hide it in the secure folder, in the Moto Secure app as well. So this time, once I hide the secure folder and remove it from the app, then as you can see now, it is gone. So another way to access the secure folder is by simply going to privacy settings, security and privacy settings. We're gonna open settings and then go to security and privacy, and then in here open more security and privacy, and then we have the secure folder and we have the enter option. So we can go ahead, open it, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.